I'm Jennifer Lopez, and here's a sound no mother wants to hear. It's pertussis, whooping cough, and if you think it's hard to listen to for 60 seconds, imagine hearing it again and again for an hour, then 2. Imagine it continues over the course of the day and with little rest into the night, for weeks, even months. Now imagine this sound is coming from your baby. Pertussis is most often spread by parents, and it's potentially fatal to infants. Even when babies themselves are vaccinated, they're not protected until after 3 or 4 doses. So do what I did. Help protect your baby by protecting yourself. Ask your healthcare provider about the adult pertussis vaccine. Because what would you do if your baby caught this from you?